Hello, this is Mrs. Workman. Quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. Find the measure of angle QPS. Find the measure of angle PSR. Find N. Let's go back to the first problem. Find the measure of angle QPS. Angle QPS is this angle right here. I know certain facts about a parallelogram. One of them is that opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. So that means that angle QPS is congruent to angle QRS. If angles are congruent, that means then that the measures of those angles are equal. So I'm writing that statement. Next. I know that the measure of angle QRS is 31 plus 18, or 49, by the angle addition theorem. So this tells me that the measure of angle QPS is equal to 49 by substitution right here. So that's the answer to the first question. The measure of angle QPS is 49. Let's move to the second one. Find the measure of angle PSR. Angle PSR is this angle right here. I'm going to use another fact I know is true for all parallelograms, and that is the fact that consecutive angles are supplementary. So I can write that the measure of angle QPS plus the measure of angle PSR is equal to 180. Because angle QPS and angle PSR are consecutive angles, and because they're supplementary, that means their measures must add to 180. Okay, what do we know about the measure of angle QPS? We just found that it's 49, so I can substitute in 49 for that measure. 49 plus the measure of angle PSR equals 180. To solve the equation, I can subtract 49 from both sides and get that the measure of angle PSR is equal to 131. Finally, we are asked to find n. All right, here we see an expression for n, and for n is given in the diagram as the length of segment RQ. We know that opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent. I can show that with tick marks. In other words, segment PS is congruent to segment RQ. If segments are congruent, then the lengths of those sides are equal. So PS is equal to RQ. Substituting, the diagram shows us that PS is equal to 36 and that RQ is equal to 4N. To solve the equation for N, we'll divide both sides by 4, and that shows that N is equal to 9.